I want to show you my pre-season conditioning before our season starts. So today is the day we're going to show you how we train. Coach D, tagal kong trainer, okay?
Pagka medyo tumaob-taob na yung kotse, kailangan maano ko pa. Saan tayo pupunta? Punta tayo ng Antipolo? Akyat tayo?
Yep. Bakit tayo? Elevation to.
Oh my God. Kasama namin mag-warm up. Hindi ka pa nakakasimula mag-workout, kumakain ka na dyan.
So this is the coach I'm training with recently for the past 1 month. Ito si Coach Julio. This guy's a beast. Then, sanay. Whoa. Sleepy.
Hindi, sumasakit yung tuhod ko. Ano mangyari dyan, Coach?
Mawala ka ng pa.